Ukrainian military intelligence has released detailed information about a new Russian cruise missile called the S8000 Banderol. Developed by the Russian company Kronstadt, known for producing the Orion and Sirius drones, this missile marks a shift in Russia's weapons development strategy, prioritizing low-cost, mass-produced systems over high-end, expensive solutions. According to Ukrainian analysis, the S8000 is a small subsonic cruise missile designed for launch from drones like the Orion UAV and, eventually, attack helicopters such as the Mi-28N. Despite its compact size, it carries a warhead of up to 150 kilograms and has a range of approximately 500 kilometers. It flies at a speed of around 500 kilometers per hour and maintains a low-altitude, terrain-hugging flight profile to reduce detection and interception by air defense systems. One of the missile's notable features is its maneuverability. Ukrainian intelligence suggests it can perform tighter turns than traditional Russian cruise missiles like the Kh-101 caliber or Iskander-K. This gives it better flexibility when navigating complex environments, such as urban areas or zones with dense air defense coverage. Perhaps most striking is the missile's internal composition. While marketed as a Russian development, the S8000 is heavily reliant on foreign-made, commercially available components. Its engine, the Swilin SW800 Pro, is a Chinese turbojet originally designed for model aircraft. Other key parts include South Korean servos, Chinese navigation systems, and telemetry modules either imported or copied from Western designs. These parts are not specialized military-grade tech, but off-the-shelf components adapted for military use. The only confirmed Russian-made item is the Kometa M8 antenna, also used in Geran drones and UMPK modules. Altogether, more than 20 foreign components from over 30 companies have been identified in the missile, suggesting continued reliance on international supply chains and an ongoing effort to bypass sanctions through dual-use technology and third-party channels. The S8000 Banderol is not a breakthrough weapon in terms of technology, but it reflects a strategic response to battlefield realities, economic constraints, high attrition, and the need for mass deployment. It's designed to be cheap, easily produced, and good enough to be effective when used in large numbers.